Here is a video tutorial that shows you where the PDC, parking distance control, module is located or how to remove it on BMW 5 Series E60, E61. This PDC module should only be replaced when your BMW parking sensors don't work, but before changing it, check each parking sensor individually first. Open the trunk and remove that cover from the spare tire. Then remove that carpet from inside. Remove that part as well. This PDC or parking distance control module can be identified by this serial number, 6942677. This is the serial number you will need to look for when you want to buy a new or used one. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, you can write us in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.